Upgrading the windows in your Crestview home is a significant step toward improving both its appearance and energy efficiency. Whether you're replacing old windows that are inefficient or simply upgrading to a more modern style, understanding the window installation process can help make the entire experience smoother and more enjoyable. The process may seem daunting at first, but with proper preparation and knowledge of what to expect, you can ensure a successful and hassle-free installation. Here's a detailed look at what you can expect during the window installation process in Crestview. Initial consultation and window selection. The first step in any window installation project is the consultation. A professional window installer will come to your home to assess your current windows, take measurements, and discuss your preferences. This is a great time to explore different window styles, materials, and energy-efficient options. There are several types of windows to choose from, including double-hung windows. These are classic and versatile, with two sashes that can be opened vertically. Casement windows. Hinged at the side, these open outward with a crank, offering great ventilation. Sliding windows. Ideal for areas where you need a wider opening but limited space, sliding windows open horizontally. Picture windows. Fixed windows that allow for unobstructed views and flood your home with natural light. Bay and bow windows. These add dimension to your home and increase curb appeal. Additionally, the window installer will help you choose the best materials for your climate, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, and guide you through the selection of energy-efficient windows that are ideal for Crestview's warm climate. During this consultation, the installer will take precise measurements of your existing windows to ensure that the new ones fit perfectly and discuss your budget, timeline, and any other questions you may have. Scheduling the installation. Once you've selected your new windows, the next step is to schedule the installation. A reputable installer will provide an estimated timeline, and the duration of the installation will vary depending on factors like the number of windows being replaced and the complexity of the job. Typically, window installation can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. It's important to confirm the installation date with the contractor and ensure that your home is ready for the work. This includes removing furniture, decor, or any items near the windows to allow the installers to work efficiently and safely. Preparation for installation day. On installation day, the installers will arrive at your home prepared with all the tools and materials needed for the job. To ensure the process goes smoothly, they will begin by protecting your home. This includes laying down protective coverings on your floors and furniture to catch any dust or debris during the removal and installation of the windows. They will also cover the exterior of the windows with protective sheeting to prevent any damage to the surrounding areas. Removal of old windows. The installation team will begin by carefully removing your old windows. This process involves taking out the existing sashes, trim, and frames, if necessary. If your current window frames are damaged or deteriorated, the team may need to repair or replace them to ensure the new windows fit securely. During this phase, your installer will ensure that the structure is in good condition before moving on to the installation of the new windows. Installation of new windows. Once the old windows are removed and the frames are prepared, the installers will begin installing your new windows. The process involves several key steps. Setting the window in place. The window is carefully aligned in the frame to ensure a proper fit. Securing the window. Once positioned correctly, the window is fastened securely with screws or brackets. The team will also make sure that the window is level and plumb. Sealing the edges. To prevent drafts and water from seeping in, the installers will apply caulking around the edges of the window. This is an essential step to ensure that your new window is energy efficient and properly sealed. If you've chosen windows with energy efficient features, such as low E-glass or insulated frames, the installer will take extra care to ensure that all seals and weatherproofing are properly installed. Final adjustments and testing. Once the windows are installed, the team will perform a series of tests to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This includes checking that the windows open and close smoothly, the locks are secure, and there are no gaps or leaks around the frame. Your installer will also check the overall aesthetics of the window, ensuring that everything aligns with your expectations. Cleanup and maintenance tips. Once the installation is complete and the windows are tested, the team will clean up the work area, removing any debris and leftover materials. They will also dispose of your old windows and ensure that your home is left looking pristine. Before leaving, the installers will provide you with maintenance tips to help you keep your new windows in top condition. This may include instructions on cleaning, inspecting seals, and maintaining the window hardware. Regular upkeep can help extend the lifespan of your new windows and keep them functioning smoothly for years to come. Enjoy your new windows. Once everything is installed, tested, and cleaned, you can enjoy the benefits of your new windows. Whether it's increased energy efficiency, better insulation, improved curb appeal, or enhanced comfort, new windows can transform your home. Conclusion. Window installation in Crestview is a straightforward process that, when done by professionals, can provide lasting benefits. From the initial consultation to the final cleanup, the process is designed to ensure that your new windows are a perfect fit, both in terms of style and functionality. Whether you're improving your home's energy efficiency or simply enhancing its curb appeal, replacing your windows is a smart investment that pays off in comfort, value, and long-term savings. Ready to replace your windows? Reach out to a trusted local installer and take the first step toward improving your home today.